Hey, Wendy Patton here. Just wanted to say hi to everyone who especially is interested in lease options and subject twos. I wrote a book in 2005 called Investing in Real Estate with Lease Options and Subject Twos, and it's been an amazing seller throughout the years. And unfortunately, it's out of print, and I can't even get the book myself without buying it used on Amazon or eBay or whatever. And it's like at least $100, $200, sometimes $700. Hey, it makes me feel kind of cool. However, I am republishing that book very soon. I'm working on editing it right now. The changes in it are so minor. That's why I haven't redone it all these years, because it is so accurate still. There's so minor changes that have changed in the way things need to be done. And specifically, mostly lease options. I'll just give you a little hint. In lease options with the Dodd-Frank ruling, I don't give my tenant buyer credit, for their monthly payments or any portion of their monthly payments toward the purchase price due to Dodd-Frank and it looking more like financing. So that's just a really minor change. And that's going to be one of the only things, of course, maybe some editing things and some more updated things. Instead of talking about, finding deals in newspapers, it's going to be talking about finding them online and where you find those particular deals. So that's going to be coming out very soon, so keep your eyes and ears open for it. I'd love your comments below if you read my previous book or that book before, what you think of it, and if you're looking forward to hearing more about it. If you also want to find out more about lease options, subject twos, go to my website, wendypatton.com. There's always a lot of information that is there for you to hear or to read about, and it's a lot of free information as well. Welcome to 2022.